All right, so this question is saying the table below gives the dimensions of a painting and a scale drawing of the painting. Find the scale factor of the drawing to the real painting. Write your answer as a fraction in simplest form, and that gives you the little graph here, the table, and it says the painting and the drawing dimensions and the length and width. Okay, now a lot of you guys are like, if you would see this question by itself, you're like, I'm not doing it, or I need help. I don't know what to do. It's really simple. Okay, sometimes I want you guys to get to the point where you're looking at the question, and you can identify what you know from the question to solve it. So to get it together, you have one little thing in here that should stand out to you. Okay, it says find the scale factor, which, you know, we'll talk about in a second, of something to something else. If you see of and to in relation to something and something else, you should know that that is a proportion. Okay, so of the drawing to the real painting. Now, if you remember, if you see that to something else, that means you're doing a proportion, which means you are simply putting the drawing over the painting. Okay, and because we already identified we're doing something with proportions, these two numbers should be the same. So what you're going to do is you're just going to identify, well, you're either going to go, how am I going to do this? Okay, so painting to the drawing. Oh, sorry, we need to go in order. Make sure you're going in order for the way it tells you to do it. So if it tells you to go to the drawing to the painting, you need to take the number of the drawing, right, which is 7. Let's just start with that one, to the painting, 28, okay, which you can simplify, which would turn into 1/4. If you need a video about how to simplify a fraction, go look at my video. It's there. It tells you all you think you need to know. You know, shameless plug. Okay. Now, if you're like, how am I supposed to know which one to do? Right? How do I know if it's supposed to be this one, it's supposed to be this one, or that one? It's proportional. So you should know that it doesn't matter which one you do. But, just to show that what we're talking about here, you have 5 over 20, right? That's the easy one. We know that one. That simplifies to 1/4. So it doesn't really matter which one you use, which one, as long as you're doing like this row or that row, and you're going in order that they tell you. So if they tell you drawing first and then painting first, it doesn't matter if the drawing is over on this side and the painting is over on this. Like, make sure you're going in the order that they tell you, or you're gonna get it wrong. Okay, so it doesn't matter which one you do, as long as you're going logically and you're doing it in the way that it tells you to do it. So it doesn't matter which one you do. Either way, the answer is 1/4, and that is your scale factor. Um, that's all you need to know, guys. So let me know if you guys need another example, and I got you.